if you're a Longrich and you are not drinking from an alkaline cup, therefore it means you are missing a lot. It's a cup that gives energy, detoxifies the system, and does a lot for our system. Remember, in our last tutorial, I said and I promised you guys that permit me have a sip from alkaline cup, how energetic it is. So I promised that I was going to lay emphasis on what is called the repeat order. But in our previous tutorial, I had made mention of upgrade order and retail order, which I well expatiated on. So if you have not yet watched that tutorial, there will be a link below this tutorial where you have to watch it and you know the meaning and how you can identify, how you can check your upgrade orders and your retail orders, especially when we have upgrade windows. That is that you calculate your upgrade PVs and know the level that you are to upgrade to the next level, how many PVs you need or how many PVs you just need to put in to actualize your back office. So today I'm going to be laying emphasis on what we call the repeat order. So what is a repeat order? So it's an order, a purchase that you effectuate from your back office, especially when you're already a Diamond 2 in the platform. I know many people be asking me what is a Diamond 2. You know, when you join Longrich, we have entry levels, and now we equally have the ranking. So the entry levels we have from the 24,000 combo, especially from Cameroon. Cameroon is very lucky to have that combo of 24,000 combo. Now we go to the pure silver, gold, platinum, and platinum VIP. And these are entry levels into the platform, and each entry level has its ways as which they calculate the bonuses that you earn. Okay, so now ranking now is the accumulation of PVs. The accumulation of PVs, you and your team, and it permits you to change from one rank level to another. That's we have Diamond 1 up to Star Director 5 in Longrich. So for you to start performing a repeat order, it means you should be a Diamond 2, and a Diamond 2 means you have gotten at least 1,680 PVs, you and your team. So when you have reached that level, you will start benefiting what we call E-WALET bonuses that you can use to make purchases from your back office. Is that not awesome? So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your back office, see the E-WALET that you have, and you make purchases from the nearest stockist in your area or wherever. And after effectuating that repeat order from your back office, you need to send a screenshot to the stockist, and now you go to the stockist. The stockist will provide you with the product. So I am Walter Doom, aka World Digital, the digital guy, and most Longrichers call me Walter Rich. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, keep comments, like, share to other Longrichers all over the world. Longrich is a network marketing platform that permits you to earn while asleep even. So I'm encouraging you to join Longrich now. If you haven't yet joined, there will be a link below this tutorial where you can click and you get to me, and I will walk you through free of charge. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can effectuate your repeat order from your back office while seated at home. So Longrich, better life, better future. Woo! So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can effectuate your repeat orders in Longrich from your back office. So you type web Longrich, you have this window as usual. I have tutorials on how to access your web. I have tutorials on how you can access your back office. So there will be a link on the descriptive part. You can click on it and you check how you can access your back office from scratch. So now I have to key in the code that I will need to effectuate the repeat order from. I key the code, and you know by default the password is 123. Now you type the check code, which is 56660, and you click on login. So when the window opens, okay, so for you to effectuate a repeat order, first of all have to know how much is found in your e-wallet. So you click on finance management, you click on account transaction record. So you come here, you'll see the money that you have in your e-wallet. So this is your e-wallet. As I earlier explained, when you, at least from a Diamond 2, you start benefiting e-wallet. It's a percentage of bonuses that have been deducted and kept for you to consume Longrich products. So this is the e-wallet. So this is the amount that I have now in my e-wallet, in this e-wallet. So for you to effectuate a repeat order, so you need to come at this level, finance management, account transaction, and you check the amount that you have in your e-wallet. From now, then you move now to order. You click on order management. You see upgrade order, repeat order, and you click on repeat order. So when you click on repeat order now, these are some orders that I have effectuated before, you see, and it has been paid. So for you to effectuate a repeat order, you check here above, extreme right, you click on add. So you want to add an order, you wait for this window to open. When the window opens now, this is how the repeat order window looks like. You have at the top your code, the code that you need to use to carry out the repeat order, and below here we have stockist. So you obviously have to have a stockist code where you make the purchase, the repeat order purchase from. So for example, this is one of the closest stockists that I know, and I run a stockist which is CM2021. So I'll click on CM2021. So it means I'm going to make that repeat order purchase from this stockist called Damn Mercy. Okay, so when you have chosen the stockist code, you come now here, you know, a repeat order as well ties with a retail order, as I explained in our last tutorial, maintenance orders as well. And this type of purchases that you do, you are being remunerated after a cycle, and you always be good that you try to top up your retail repeat orders to at least 30 PVs in order to benefit some bonuses. So at this level now, the consignee last name, you can put your name here, and a receiver, you put your name as well. You need to change, select the province. You select the province, for example, here I'm in Northwest, here, city of consignment, you select, and now you try to fill the order informations. But these are the most important information that you need to fill: the stockist code, the consignee last name, name of receiver, which is you, and the province, the state. You fill Northwest region, for example, it depends wherever you are. And now the city of consignee is Bamenda, for example. And now you come down here at this level. At this level still, you can know the prices of products as I've been showing in my previous tutorials. There will be a link in this tutorial as well. You click on it, you know how you can know all the prices of Longrich products without calling the stockists or your uplines. So there was 8,000 francs in my back office. So I'll click, for example, on daily products. I know with 8,000 francs I can have a packet of soap, which will give me 6 PVs. So I will check on soap. 6,000, yes, this is soap. Yeah, so I'll choose, for example, one soap. So I'll type one soap. No, one soap. I type one soap. If you observe keenly, if you climb up here,
If you check here, you'll see total PVs 6 PVs. So when you have selected the products that you want to make the repeat order, you then click on submit up here. Yeah, submit. When you click on submit, you then screenshot. If you don't know how to screenshot, you press it depends on each phone. You can press the shutdown button plus the lower volume button together like this, and then you have a screenshot of the transaction that you have effectuated. Because when you are buying from the stockist will not even know, but the stockist will receive the product. So you need to send a screenshot to the stockist, so that when you are going there to collect the product, he will not or she will not argue you. She will just give you the product.